Create a classic focal point by cladding a wall with Stone Ridge Grey matte ceramic wall tiles. Each tile replicates the listellini style, in which fine bands of inlaid natural stone make strikingly modern feature walls. In the design, linear stone grey ribbons range from medium smoke through to deep charcoal. Together, the tile builds an intriguingly stylish backdrop for modern streamlined interior decor styles in bedrooms, bathrooms, the kitchen, living and dining areas. Installed to cover the entire wall or to pop as a sectional feature, white clean surfaces resist stains, scuffs and scratches. Each box contains 11 A-grade 800 by 265mm tiles. Add the Stone Ridge Grey matte ceramic wall tile to your cart today. Available at CTM.